Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Pooja. So today I am going to explain you about sonnet number 116 written by William Shakespeare, which is also known as Let Me Not to the Marriage of True Minds. So before starting, I'll give you a little bit of explanation about what is sonnet. So sonnet is a type of lyrical poem consisting of a single stanza of 14 iambic pentameter lines linked by an intricate rhyme scheme. So this is just a basic explanation of sonnet, and if I go deeper this video will be very long, so I'll just start with the explanation. But before starting the explanation, let me just inform you that Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets in total and were addressed to different people. He dedicated first 126 sonnets to Mr. W.H. and 127 to 152 were written for Dark Lady, and the last two were devoted to Cupid, the god of love. So let's just start with the explanation. The first line says, "Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds." Here the speaker says that he will not admit any hindrance to the marriage of true minds. Here true mind stands for true love, and impediments means hindrance or hurdle in any way. So the speaker strongly believes that there should be no hurdle between the marriage of true souls, of true lovers, and also says that love is not love which alters when it alteration finds. That means true love will always remain fixed to the same center forever. If someone's love changes for the other person or for their beloved when a better alternative is found, then that love cannot be claimed as a true one. Or bends with the remover to remove, which means if a remover or some third person tries to interfere in the love between two souls or between true lovers, he will surely fail in that job, because true lovers cannot be separated with any kind of force, or cannot be removed because of the influence of some remover or some other person. Now the second quatrain starts with, "Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken." The speaker conveys that true love is just like trees in a storm which holds the ground or the soil very tightly in a strong grip so that it cannot be shaken by the storm, by the heavily blowing winds which try to uproot the tree, but it refuses to get uprooted. The next line says, "It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth's unknown, although his height be taken." This means that just like the northern star shows the direction to the lost ships in the midst of storms in the deep ocean, similarly true love directs the wandering souls in the right direction. The worth of true love is also like the value of the northern star. The value of these two cannot be estimated even if we come to know their heights. Here the star represents the northern star, and wandering bark means ships that are usually lost or are sailing in the deep ocean, and the northern star helps them to detect the direction. Further the speaker says, "Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come." Here Shakespeare is personifying time as a person, specifically death, and is also associated with the word sickle. He says that love is not the fool of time. One's rosy lips and cheeks will certainly pale with age as his bending sickle's compass come. Here, his is denoted to death. Shakespeare assures us that death will certainly come. The materialistic beauty of one person will fade with the course of time, but that will never stop a lover from loving his or her beloved. Now, the next line says, love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. Here, the speaker is simply stating that love does not change over the course of time, instead, it continues on even after the world has ended. Here, the edge of doom means the end of the world, the end of our living place, the destruction of the world. So, he simply believes that love is everlasting and conquers all. Now the last couplet says, if this be error and upon me proved, I never write, nor no man ever loved. Here Shakespeare is telling his reader that if someone proves that he is wrong about love, then he never wrote the following words or the following poem, and no man ever loved. He is conveying that if his words are untrue, nothing else would exist in this world. He firmly believes that his idea for love is what he has written in the poem itself. Therefore, he is adamant about this, and his tough words are what strengthen the sonnet itself. After reading the sonnet, the speaker and poet himself are convinced that love is real, true, and everlasting. Shakespeare included time, love, and the nature of relationships in his sonnet number 116. Shakespeare, in his sonnet, uses a metaphor to compare love to a star that's always present and never changes. He is so confident in his opinion that he asserts no man has ever loved before if he is wrong. Shakespeare also brings elements of time into the poem. He emphasizes the fact that time knows no boundaries, and even if the people in the relationship change, the love doesn't. So guys, that's the end of this video and the explanation of the poem, and if you guys liked it, then please like, share and subscribe and comment down below and let me know that you liked it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.